relaxation, unsatisfactory, excuses, and complaining. It is pointless. When you are complaining, no one wants to help you. Stop running your big mouth, but run your big hands. Hard work pays a price of success. Actions explains better than your mouth. Action is a language that a deaf man can understand. Action may not always bring a new level, but there is no new level without an action. Even if you fail, run from what if to what's next. What if I fail? But what's next after failing? What if I lose? But what's next after losing? Always seek for more. No one will get it for you but yourself. Success is a sweet fruit that grows from a hard work tree. But don't stop. Always seek a new level until you reach it. You are born to give birth to new victories. You are pregnant. It is up to you to give birth to success or failure. Because some of us have gone through abortion. They aborted their success for the happiness of a short time. But you have to put a lot of work. You got your grade 12 matric, but seek for more. You got your degree and masters, but you got to seek for more. It is not enough until it is enough. There is no secret to victory and achievement, but a hard work. Susan Sneiman says, vitality is not the denial of mortality, but the grown-up way of facing it. I'll rather suffer affliction with my challenges than to enjoy the pleasure of failure, because I demand victory. Seek for more until you get more.